2024 Low Rider S. What I love about the bike is that I recently installed the Viking 32L Darkin bags. These bags are very sturdy, they're lockable, and they definitely offset your bike from looking different from other bikes that are out there. If you look here, you can see there's a lot of space inside these bags. These bags are hard bags, and they're leather wrapped. They are lockable with the key. They're also quick detach with a simple locking mechanism that's inside. What I love about these bags also, they come with an insert on the inside that's zippable, and behind it is a Velcro attachment that keeps it sturdy on the inside. You can keep all your belongings in here, IDs, whatnot. You can put in your clothing, sweatshirt, water bottle, anything that's needed for a long trip. I'm glad I got these because it's very well suited for a long trip that's at least an hour. Look on this side. Give you an example on stuff you could put in there. Simple stuff, you know. Put my gloves in here, put my hat in here in case I want to mount my helmet later on and put my hat on after taking my helmet off. It's very sturdy and they look amazing. Love the way it sets on Softail bikes because it gives it a beefy look. At the same time, it's very practical. What I love about these bags is that they are easily fitted to be installed around your light. Has some of the mesh material so it's not affecting your tail light, your blinker. It's custom for your bike. The Darkin large quick mount bags run approximately $588 on the Vikingbags website. They are definitely worth it to offset your bike from others out there, and much better price compared to other competitive bags.